Every accountant is asking the same question right now. Is AI going to replace me? I have spent the last few weeks testing the AI tools that real accounting teams are using in 2026. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which ones save you hours every week and whether the AI really coming for your job. Let's get into it. Quick intro if you are new here. I make videos to help accounting professionals to get better jobs and stay ahead in their careers. Today's video has 3 parts. First, 10 AI tools you should actually know. Second, whether these tools will replace accountants or just replace boring tasks. And third, what the future of accounting career actually looks like. Stick around till the end, the answer might surprise you. Let's start with the tools. Here are 10 tools grouped by what they actually do. Tool 1. ChatGPT. This AI tool every accountant should learn first. You can ask it to explain accounting concepts, write professional emails, create Excel formulas, summarize long reports, prepare interview answers, generate SOP and checklist. Think of ChatGPT as your smart assistant, not your replacement. It saves hours on every task. Tool number 2. Microsoft Copilot. If you use Excel every day, this tool is amazing. Microsoft Copilot can analyze large spreadsheets, create pivot tables, find trends, build formulas, and generate charts. Instead of spending 30 minutes creating formulas, Copilot can do it in seconds. Tool number 3. Google Gemini. If your company uses Google Workspace, Gemini is very useful. It helps you write emails, summarize documents, organize meeting notes, create reports quickly. It is perfect for accountants working with Google Docs and Sheets. Tool number 4. Claude AI. Claude AI is excellent for reading long documents. Need to understand a 100-page accounting policy, upload it in Claude. It summarizes it in simple language. It also explains difficult accounting topics clearly. Tool number 5. Perplexity AI. Think of Perplexity as an AI-powered search engine. Need information about IFRS, US GAAP, tax updates, accounting standards. Instead of searching many websites, it gives summarized answers with sources. That saves a lot of research time. Tool number 6. Power BI with AI. Power BI is already popular. Now it includes AI features. You can create dashboard faster. You can ask questions in simple English like show sales by region. The dashboard creates the answer automatically. Managers love visual reports. Tool number 7. DataRails AI. Many finance teams still work in Excel. DataRails connects Excel with AI. It helps with budgeting, forecasting, financial reporting, and variance analysis without changing the way you already work. Tool number 8. UiPath. This tool automates repetitive work. Examples: copying data, downloading reports, uploading files, moving information between systems. Instead of repeating the same task every month, this software does it for you. Tool number 9. Grammarly AI. Good communication matters. Grammarly helps you write professional emails, client responses, reports, and documentation. It also fixes grammar and improves clarity. Simple but very useful. Tool number 10. NotebookLM. NotebookLM is one of my favorite learning tools. Upload SOPs, company policies, accounting notes, training documents. Then ask question about them. It answers using only your uploaded file. It's like having your own accounting trainer available anytime. Now let's answer the biggest question. Will AI replace accountants? My answer is no. AI can automate repetitive tasks, but AI cannot replace professional judgment, business decisions, client communication, problem solving, and ethical responsibility. Companies don't hire accountants just to enter numbers. They hire people who understand the numbers. That's something AI still cannot do on its own. The real future of accounting. The future belongs to accountants who know both accounting and AI. Imagine two accountants. One spends 8 hours preparing reports, the other uses AI tools and finish it in 4 hours. Who do you think gets promoted faster? Learning AI is becoming as important as learning Excel was years ago. Don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, grow with it. Let's quickly recap the 10 AI tools. ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, Power BI, AI, DataRails, UiPath, Grammarly, and NotebookLM. You don't need to master all of them today. Start with just one. Practice every week. Within a few months, you will work faster, learn quicker, and become a more valuable accountant. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more accounting career tips. Now tell me in the comments which AI tool are you excited to try first. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.